Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Matthew with Encore Automotive, and to those that know and been following us, this is the 1.6 Kia engine that we removed from, that I removed from the Kia Soul 2019. It roughly has 70-something thousand miles on it, and we do know it failed due to low oil. However, we want to find out exactly where the shark sank its teeth in it. So we were taking it apart piece by piece and laying our eyes on it. We've already found an enormous amount of metal shavings throughout the valve train. So we know, and also the timing chain. Yes, the timing chain. The timing chain, yeah. The chain, all right? Sorry. That is due to low oil, but we want to find out where the shark sank his teeth at. So we're taking this off, and we're going to set this over to the side because it could be, worth a penny. All right, let's check this out. Got some carbon buildup on the top of the pistons. Water jacket looks amazing. I mean, it only has 76,000 miles on it. I mean, we pretty much need to go into the bottom end. Don't see nothing much here outside of the carbon buildup. That's pretty bad for 76,000 miles, but we do know it was basically under-maintained. Stay tuned for the breakthrough. Thank you guys for stopping by. Stay tuned for another episode. See you later. Thank you.